Join us whilst we unveil the latest addition to our women's collection. Chelsea model 1208, handcrafted in a rich brown pony leather using Goodyear welter construction, of course. Assembled on the heels last with its distinctive squared toe, they offer a sleek, elegant, yet modern silhouette. Elevate your outfit. Give it that standout touch. Our latest addition to our men's collection is the plain toe blucher 531. Assembled on the Detroit last, a comfortable and sturdy choice, crafted from Caribbean leather with pronounced embossed grains in a chestnut finish. Featuring a 360 degrees Goodyear storm well and a silver rubber sole. This model combines style and long-lasting comfort. Perfect for smart casual settings and everyday wear.